Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this one, we are looking at a 5-cent penny stock, which has been picking up a lot of action over the past month. Looking at this one from only the 8th of January till now, we're up about 450%. Looking at this one over the past 5 days, from only the 15th, which was last Friday, we can see we are up significantly with gains of over 106%. So the question for tonight's episode is this going to continue? And ultimately, is this a stock that you should buy? Well, of course, in tonight's episode, I'm giving all of my personal opinions and that kind of good stuff. If it sounds like a plan, guys, please do leave a like and subscribe, as we are trying to grow this channel as much as possible, and we have been killing it recently. So of course, with that being said, I am not a financial advisor, but we are going to jump straight in. So guys, we're just going to start off on Yahoo Finance by looking at what the company actually does. So given a description from the Yahoo Finance, we can see Power Conversion Technologies Inc. Designs and manufactures power electronic equipment for the use in power conversion. The company was founded back in 1991 and it is based in Pennsylvania. So we can see if you were interested in what the company does, that is all that kind of good stuff. So basically it is obviously in a very wide industry which is used very often. It's in the electrical equipment and parts industry. So of course, if you were interested in the background of the company, there you go. But overall, guys, looking at the share price over the past 5 days, things are all looking positive. Like I said, over 106% of an increase, and to be fair, guys, I do think this is very decent, being as we are now breaking past new highs in the shares price. But honestly, I would not be too surprised if we saw a bit of a sell-off on the horizon, and the reason why I say that is because yes, we are up a lot, and I do think it is a stock that has big potential, but let's face it, guys, we are up significantly, and it will make sense if it starts to flatten out now, if not even go down a small amount. So realistically, guys, if this one does sell off in the next few days, I would not be too concerned in my personal opinion, because obviously it was bound to happen. But overall, when it comes to investing in this stock, my personal opinions on this one are, I think it's a very decent company potentially for the future, but realistically, again, share price is very, very cheap at only 5 cents. Market cap for the company, to be fair, is actually quite decent, so it is looking to be a kind of fairly well-established company with a market cap of 192, almost 193 million even. So things are looking really fantastic from that front, but overall, looking at the share price, it is going to be a hard one to decide. Overall, if you are looking to hold this one for the next few years, I do still see a big potential there, but if I was going to be buying this one, I would not pour too much money into it yet, because like I said, it is still a penny stock. But who knows, guys, maybe this one could see some explosive growth in the future. But realistically, if we can flatten out at this point now and trade flat for a few days, I think we're in a great standing to continue growth into the next week and hopefully break past even more highs in the future. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.